here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. From today, I am starting a lecture series. The topic is biomolecules. So the lecture series will be useful for all BSc Biological Science students. So keep watching my lecture series and find the answers for the competitive exam as well as understand what are biomolecules, the basic concepts from the biochemistry. So let's start with the biomolecules. These are basically the organic molecules which are present in a living organisms. Right from bacteria to all higher plants, higher animals, we find similar types of biomolecules. These are building blocks of life, we can say, and in reference to atomic level, these contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. These atoms are common in all biomolecules. So out of these, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen are more common. Sulfur is present in some amino acids, whereas phosphorus is present in a DNA. We find four types of biomolecules in living system that are there in the form of monomers and that combine with each other to form a polymer. So when there is a sugar as a monomer, we find the biomolecule as a carbohydrates. So we'll go in details of carbohydrates, then we find that monosaccharides and polysaccharide. So single subunit we call it as a monosaccharide, and so carbohydrates are one of the biomolecules. Similarly, another are fatty acids which forms the lipid. But here the fatty acids are not monomers. Then another is a amino acids. Here amino acid and the next one is a nucleotides. These are again monomers and which combine to form a long chain of the biomolecule, and we call that biomolecule as a protein and a nucleic acid. Amino acid combine to form a protein, nucleotides combine to form a nucleic acids. So if we say the bonds, in reference to bond, in the sugar we find the glycosidic bond which help to form a polymeric chain, and this glycosidic bond forms the polymer of the carbohydrates. In case of amino acid, there is a presence of peptide bond, and using this peptide bond, the polypeptide chain can be formed, and we call that as a protein. Whereas in case of nucleotide, we find the phosphodiester bond, and using this bond, the nucleotides get combined, we call it as a nucleic acid. Now let's start discussing the biomolecule one by one. So starting with the first biomolecule as a amino acid. This is the structure of amino acid. As the name indicates, it contains the amino and acidic group. So here NH3 is the amino group present in amino acid, and COO minus is a acidic group which is there in a amino acid. The middle one is the C alpha carbon, one hydrogen atom, and R chain is there in the amino acid. So depending on this R chain, the properties of amino acid get different. It can be having a hydroxyl group, OH group in its R chain. It can have aromatic ring in its R chain. It can have aliphatic carbon atoms in its R chain. So this way the properties of amino acid will get different. Here I have drawn the same structure in a simplified manner. This is the alpha carbon, then carboxyl group. I have written the names of that particular groups here. Amino group, hydrogen atom and side chain. So this becomes easy to remember the structure of amino acid. Yes, moving to the examples of amino acids, glycine and alanine. So here the R group varies. Here in case of glycine, the R group is hydrogen, whereas in alanine, the R group is a methyl group present. So accordingly, the properties of these amino acid will get varied. Now, this amino acid is written in a 3-letter short forms, and a single letter code is there for each and every amino acid. So while studying itself, we'll write both the things simultaneously so that it will be easier for us to remember the single letter given for that amino acid as well as the short forms, like for glycine gly is given, for alanine we call it as a ALA. So that can also be remembered simultaneously. In my next video, we are going to study the amino acids in detail. So don't forget to watch my videos. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.